I'm Shaakira Jassat and I'm originally from South Africa. I graduated at the Man and Food department and my project shown here is a tea drop. Yeah, that's a tea machine and it's harvesting its own water. I would say it's been intense. I think yeah, after you leave the design academy it's almost like you kind of left in the world to figure things out for yourself. And with my case, I felt like my projects could really go on and there was like an opportunity to make them progress. And so I've been spending all my time actually on my water projects since that time, and I work with a team in South Africa now and we're trying to test one of the projects there. I would say I think it's really getting to the point of being able to test a project in South Africa. The reality of something that was an idea at first and that comes alive now, actually this month, on a building as a test, I think would be nice. And also to achieve that with a team, I think is super special. So that would be it. It's a water harvesting panel, so that's what I'm really working with as a main theme. Right now it's water harvesting, and we're going to test it in Cape Town. So it's going to be up on a car park structure at the V&A waterfront in Cape Town, where we will test it for about 2 years to see how it actually performs, how much water it collects, and what can we do to actually improve it as a next step. I would say I think it's like, how can these ideas really go forward without just energy? You need investments, you need efforts, you need all sorts of things to actually drive your projects forward. And for me that would be, I think, the biggest challenge. I've tried specific open calls or fundings, so those are the ways or avenues I've been trying, and I think that also takes a lot of energy. So it's all about basically how can we take it to the next step. Yeah, I was pretty stressed. I think it's very interesting because I was on my way to China, actually, to the ceramic village, Jingdezhen. And I just got the visa and my passport, and this thing happened. It was like we were still unsure whether we could go or not, because it was just in Wuhan at that moment. And I think that the setbacks really were very shocking as a designer. But then it's always also like, okay, so what can I do about this? I think that's the strength of being a designer and thinking like a designer. So yeah, we have this problem, but what can we actually do about it? I found that there was a lot of time to reflect. I think reflection moments are really taken for granted, and I loved the fact that we could just sit back and think about what we're actually doing here. I want to win this award. Cut. No, I really would like to see my aquaculture project go to the next level. This is more a 2-year duration project before it really can go anywhere, and I think for me that would be the goal now, to really get it to its next point. Yeah, I would really use it to build up my studio. I right now with Corona just gave up my workspace, and I would love to keep making and keep working on metal and wood and this kind of thing. So I would really use this specific prize to set up that space, or to help set up that space.